everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a level. This will be a full tutorial and also a very easy and simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a level, okay? A simple level. There are many levels that come in many different sizes. They're really, really small. You can get one that's like this big, or you can get one that's absolutely massive, many feet long. It all depends on what you need it for. This is a sort of medium level because this can be used for small projects, and it will also help you with bigger projects. You can also use it alongside a piece of wood to make it seem like it's even longer. If you want, you can place this on a long piece of wood and use the long piece of wood to measure the level, and it'll sort of act even longer. But that's just a simple side tip. If you look at the level right here, I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see there's a little bubble inside of that liquid right there, okay? Just like that. So you can see as I'm moving the level, the bubble goes back and forth. Now, if something is level, the bubble goes in the middle of those two lines. As you can see right there, I'm holding the level right now. So I'm holding it perfectly level, and it goes in between those two lines. My camera might be on an angle, so it might look like it's not level, but trust me, it is. Now, if one side is higher, the bubble will move to that side. It makes sense because it's gravity and it's a bubble, right? So let's say this side was higher. If I put this side higher, okay? If I put that side higher, the bubble is moving to this side over here. As you can see, the side that's higher, actually the bubble moves to that side. If this side was to be higher, the bubble moves to this side over here. So if you want to use it, what you want to do is place it on something. Let's say I wanted to see if my arm was level. I would place it on my arm, and I would see that this side of my arm over here is actually higher. You can see where the bubble is, hopefully, in the video. Now let's say I adjusted it. So let's adjust it, right? Let's adjust it this way. Now that the bubble is in the middle, I know that my arm is level, okay? And you can see that even if it's slightly off level, let's say I have my level and I see the bubble is like over here. I can see that that's slightly off level. Would it still look level? Probably not. You can have the play. Basically, if the bubble is in the middle of those two lines, right? If it's relatively in the middle of those two lines, whether it's like a quarter of an inch in either direction like that, then you know something is level. But if the bubble moves too much to the side, you know that that side is high, okay? Now, with your level, you can also take it and turn it this way to measure if something is plumb. Plumb means like completely vertical, level in an up and down manner, basically. So if I placed it against the wall, let's say, and I wanted to tell if it was plumb or not, I would do the same thing, but there's an additional marker right over here. So there's an additional marker over here, and I can tell if something is plumb. So it's the same idea, basically the same idea, but the bubble is obviously going to move side to side. So you can see when the top is too far this way, the bubble moves to this side, okay? When the top is too far this way, the bubble moves to the opposite side. So basically, whichever side the bubble is on, the top is too far in the opposite direction. The bubble is on this side right now, the top is too far this way over here, okay? Very simple and straightforward. On this level, there's also one on the other side, so you can sort of use it either way. Very simple and straightforward. Using a level is easy. You want to take it, place it down on the object or the surface, see if it's level, okay? Use the bubble as a guideline to see whether or not it's level. Or you can take it, place it flat against the vertical object and see if it's plumb, which is just another word for level. I'm sorry about the poor lighting in this video, but the sun is just hitting my mirror and my car in the wrong way, and this is the only way that I could get this done. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.